Good morning, you beautiful creatures. Today we are back, and today I have some exciting news to announce. Is that my hand in the mirror in the back? You guys see that in the shadow in the background? Back there? That's my hand. That's weird. Anyways, I'm off to the gym. I gotta go work out, and then after the gym, I gotta head to work for a little bit after showering and stuff, of course. And then somewhere in the midst of that, we got some news, and it's important news concerning the LS swap and the BMW. Stay tuned. This is my workout juice. I use some water and Mio Energy. And yeah, I usually drink another bottle of water during my workout. This is what I use to get the water in my muscles when I need it most. I know my counter is dirty. We're gonna fix that now. Just like that, counter is officially clean. Around 36 hours has surpassed since my last video clip. I ended up going to the pool hall last night, so obviously drunk Cameron was not gonna be able to finish that. You know, I sound really irresponsible, but I never drink. The last time I drank was in September, so yeah, I'm going to justify this. However, today we're gonna be installing some spark plugs, then we'll get to the news about the BMW. Okay, just walking up to the car at night, it looks so good. It looks good anyways, but especially when you walk up to it at night, it just has a different look to it. The street light really helps out. So when you change your spark plugs, they do have a socket that is made specifically for spark plugs. See, it says 5/8 made for spark plugs only. But if you don't have one of these, it's totally fine. You can just use a regular 5/8 and it'll do the job. Okay guys, so obviously the first step was to remove the spark plug wires, and I've pretty much done that on the distributor cap. Now I'm going to do it on the spark plug. So this is the difference between the old spark plug, this one on the left, and the new one. And let me just pick it up and show you what I mean. So the old one is seen some better days for sure. Not looking any good whatsoever. It's pretty bad. And here's the new one, all ready to go in and pre-gapped. Which you guys haven't seen that video, feel free to check it out by clicking the link. Not even gonna lie guys, I almost forgot to put on the anti-seize Loctite for my spark plugs, so I'm going to do that now. Just in case you guys are wondering how to use Loctite anti-seize, you just put a little bit, you don't need that much, you just put a little bit on your finger and put it around the threads. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure you don't get any on the spark side of the threads. You don't need that much either, just a thin layer. So the new spark plugs are all installed, as you guys can see. Now we're just gonna put on the new spark plug wires. Look how clean this distributor cap is, by the way. Anyways guys, so the new spark plug wires are all plugged in and pushed down. Now that's all left to do is put the air intake back on. Air intake is back on and plugged in. And honestly, it looks way better without those really old yellow spark plug wires that were in there. And I'll show you guys what all the dirty spark plug wires look like in a second, but it looks way cleaner in here. Well, these are the new spark plugs. There's a sarcastic emphasis on the new. These are actually indeed very old, at least 2 years, and they're cheap made. These are the auto lights. Glad we got rid of these. These things are toast. All of them. Not what we need in our Mustang. Oh man. So as far as the BMW build is concerned, we are moving forward and we've removed everything from the inside of the vehicle. Well, not everything, but a lot of the interior is gone. Remove the dash, remove the gauge cluster with the dash, remove the steering wheel, remove the center console and the carpeting and the seats, And that's all because we have to cut and fold the transmission tunnel to accommodate for the 6L90E. And once we cut and fold it, we will be reinforcing the subframe and the mounts that'll hold up the new transmission, the 6L90E. But yeah, that is a very heavy transmission. It's not going in easy. Well, it's gonna go in. Like, it's not gonna go in like hard or anything. It's gonna go right in, but we just gotta accommodate space-wise for it. Whereas if we went with like a manual option or something a little bit different, we wouldn't have to accommodate as much. This is a photo of what it looks like right now. As you guys can see, there's a lot of rust and whatnot. So I will be doing a video where we reclaim the rust and, well, we don't reclaim the rust, we reclaim the metal and get rid of the rust and do some rust protection. And that'll be in the very near future. Also, if you guys know any good steering wheel brands, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking at steering wheels. I don't know which one I want to go with. I saw a Momo steering wheel. I know like Momo's probably like not the first choice for removable steering wheels, but that's one I did see amongst a lot of different steering wheels. But yeah, that's the update video as far as the BMW is concerned. You guys want to watch the other videos, you guys can do so by clicking the playlist, which I'll put right here, as well as in the description. But yeah, if you guys are new viewers out there, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below what you guys want to see in future videos. This has been a BMW update video as well as a Mustang spark plug change video. And yeah, it's been pretty fun. I love doing these. And the quality is going up. There's going to be even better quality here very soon, along with better edits. I'm buying a camera instead of using my phone because I'm using my phone for the last year. And I'm kind of tired of using my phone. I want to actually have a camera that can put out better quality stuff. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.